Hey, how's it going? And I just wanted to do a quick update to a video I just uploaded on using basic VR. I realized, and I don't know why I didn't realize this before, but you can use this with an HDRI image. So if we're in LightWave, we can go to backdrop, we can go to add environment, we can go to textured environment, you can double click on this, go into texture, and you can just go to any number of sites and download an HDRI image. Here's one at Decor Shop, and I'm just going to go open, and then you want to convert this to spherical, and then you want to be on the Y. We can go into camera view, that's not going to affect anything really, but we can go into VPR. And there is our image. One thing you might want to do is hit D, and if you're viewing this on a computer monitor, you can just go to a quick preset and just go to sRGB. We should be good enough, okay? You can't really, I think if you're in the camera, you can kind of, if I'm on the camera and I go to rotation, I can rotate around a little bit there. But here's the cool part. So you go into properties and we go to our trusty VR camera. Isn't this awesome? Look at this. And then what we do is we're just going to go render this out. Render frame, and continue. And we're going to go ahead, file, save as JPEG. And I've got to save it here to my desktop. And I'm just going to call this test 88, save. If I go into the Ryko viewer, all I got to do is drag this onto the scene. And look, how cool is this? That is pretty darn interesting, isn't it? You can really look around in here. Really, really cool. Really, really interesting. So, anywho, that's all I had for today. I hope you found this helpful. I noticed I honestly don't see any seams on here on my monitors. I'm looking around. I really don't see. Everything looks pretty darn good. It looks very much like I'm in a fisheye thing, but it's cool. This is really cool for exploring environments. Okay, take care, have a great day, and I will talk to you next time.